No crank versus crank no start diagnosis. What is a no crank condition? A no crank condition occurs when the engine does not rotate at all after turning the ignition key or pressing the start button. You may hear only a clicking sound or complete silence, and the engine does not attempt to turn over. This indicates a problem in the starting system, meaning the engine never reaches the point where combustion could occur. Dashboard lights may be dim or normal depending on the fault. Causes and diagnosis of no crank. No crank problems are usually caused by a dead or weak battery, loose or corroded battery terminals, faulty starter motor, bad starter relay, blown fuse, or a defective ignition switch. A discharged battery will cause slow clicks or dim lights, while a failed starter motor may click once but not spin. Checking battery voltage, terminal tightness, and starter relay operation is the first step in diagnosing this condition. What is a crank no start condition? A crank no start condition happens when the engine turns over normally but fails to start and run. The starter motor works properly, but combustion does not occur. You can hear the engine cranking smoothly, indicating that electrical power and the starting system are functioning. This condition points toward issues with fuel delivery, ignition, air intake, or engine management systems. Causes and diagnosis of crank no start. Crank no start problems commonly result from fuel pump failure. Clogged fuel filter, empty fuel tank, faulty injectors, bad spark plugs or ignition coils, immobilizer malfunction, or sensor failure such as crankshaft or camshaft position sensors. In petrol engines, lack of spark is a major cause, while in diesel engines, air in the fuel line or injector issues are common. Checking for fuel pressure, spark presence, and diagnostic trouble codes helps identify the fault. Key differences and troubleshooting approach. The main difference between no crank and crank no start lies in whether the engine rotates. No crank equals starting system problem, while crank no start equals combustion-related problem. For no crank, start with the battery and starter circuit. For crank no start, focus on fuel, ignition, air, and sensors. Proper identification saves time, prevents unnecessary repairs, and leads to faster fault correction.